Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you own an F-150 with a Coyote motor, there's a product, I feel like I say this a lot, but there's a product that should have come from the factory, but didn't because Ford hates you. Alright, now this product is actually standard on the Mustangs with the Coyote motor, but I'm thinking Ford didn't want to put them on the F-150s with the Coyote because they sell a lot more F-150s with the Coyote. But the problem with them doing that is that now people are having issues with their coil pack bolts rusting out. If you watch my last video, I actually show you how to prevent those coil pack bolts from rusting out. But after I add this product into my F-150, I won't have to worry about those bolts rusting out, ever. And the product I'm talking about today is the coil covers. All right, now these coil covers are actually really easy to install. They mount right to your valve cover using a 12mm bolt. I'll show you how to install those right now. Hey, you watching the video. We noticed that a lot of you guys aren't subscribing, so do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now your valve cover already has 3 holes where your coil cover is going to mount to. Now when you screw in the 12mm ball studs, you want to tighten them just enough to where it becomes flush with the valve cover, and then stop. You do not want to over tighten these. These are screwed into plastic and it will strip. The next step is to remove your PCV line. There's a little clip right here you can push to the side, and then you can remove the tube and push it out of the way. Now you're ready to install your coil cover. Now grab your coil cover, put it underneath of the wire harness, line it up, push down, and you're good to go. And don't forget to reinstall your PCV line. Alright, that's it guys. Not only will this protect your bolts, but it'll also make your engine obviously look a little bit better. I think it looks better. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage content. See you on the next one.